Hi guys, this is T from tgotyourkeys.com, and I'm taking a rainy walk out here on our lot, and I just wanted to point out, take a look over here. We got 2 bays completely open for you, so if you ever need to drop off your vehicle, whether it be inclement weather like we are having right now, or whether that be a sunny day, all you do is pull your vehicle in between these 2, whichever one's available. A service advisor will be inside waiting for you. And also, if you need to drop off your car overnight, we actually have 2 cameras on each side and always 24/7 lit lighting. So no matter if it's 2 a.m., 12 a.m., you will always be protected and always be monitored so that you and your vehicle are completely safe. I want to point out, after you do come in, this is our service advisor center. And if it is after hours, this is our certified service area after key box. So all you're gonna do is pull this little box down. We have a pen waiting there for you and a little key drop-off slip. So all you do is enter your name, phone number, cell phone number, and what your vehicle is. So all you do is put it in this little drop box right here, shut it up, and that is checked every single day as soon as the advisors come in. I just want to show you guys that these customers have successfully pulled up. And just for perspective, as soon as you come in through these little doors over here and you pull your car up, this is exactly where the service drop box. Just to give you some perspective for parts and service. The hours are posted there. Monday through Friday, 8 a.m. to 5:30, and Saturday, 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. So therefore, if you need to bring in your vehicle and it is closing time, or there's no one out here to assist you and it's midnight, and like I said before, you will always have a place to drop your vehicle off. So this is T from tgotyourkeys.com, just giving you a little service tour. If there's anything I can do for you, feel free to reach out to me at tgotyourkeys.com or at 610-607-3231. See you soon.